Welcome, Puzzle Masters! Today we are playing with our super strong construction crew on the hopscotch court.
Whoa! Look at the digger, the dump truck, and the steamroller rolling in. Vroom vroom, everyone!
Hey, where did that zoomy orange sports car come from? It's kicking up so much dust! Everything turned into shadows. Can you guess which vehicle belongs to which shape?
I'm going to put the wheels on the roof. That works, right?
Oh, silly! Wheels go at the bottom, not on the roof. Let's find the right spot together.
Good job!
Let's try to fit this big, heavy bucket onto the dump truck silhouette. Will it click? Let's see.
Nice.
Good job!
Keep trying. Maybe rotate the piece just a little bit to the left. You've got this.
Amazing!
No.
Nice. Click! It fits perfectly. Great job matching those pieces, team.
No, God!
Look at that dump truck glow. It's happy to be back in one piece and ready for work. We did it! All our construction friends are ready to go. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun! Welcome to our big construction challenge. Are you ready to build?
I see a cabin. Let's snap it on. Click! Vroom vroom.
Great job! Now we have our hard-working digger ready for action. Look at these shadows. Can you find the silhouette for our mighty dump truck?
Wait, what's that penguin doing here? That's not a bulldozer!
Oh no, a silly troll face! Quick, focus! Where does the loader go? SpongeBob is popping up everywhere. Keep your eyes on the shadows, friends.
I found it. The loader fits perfectly in the shadow. Kapow!
Almost there. Can you point to the last shadow on your screen? You did it! All the construction buddies are in their spots.
Loader.
Look at that! The real hardworking digger is filling the truck with dirt. Beep beep!
That's a lot of earth. It's so heavy and strong.
Dump truck. Dump truck.
Check out these cool vehicles. They are the stars of the construction site.
Bulldozer.
You guys are master builders! Thanks for playing our puzzle game today. See you next time! Welcome, puzzle explorers! Today, our brave police car buddy is going on a sky-high adventure. Vroom! Vroom!
Whoa! Did you see car just took off like a rocket ship? Zoom!
Look! A pink police car joined the party! Can you count how many cars are flying above?
Mysterious UFO. Maybe it wants to play our matching game, guys.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no, the grumpy cat says that's the wrong badge. Try again. Point to the right one.
Haha! Look at that face. Even the streamer is totally shocked by our puzzle skills. What?
Yay! SpongeBob and Squidward are dancing because we found the perfect match. Great job.
Oh my God!
Ding ding! That badge fits perfectly. You guys are absolute puzzle pros.
He's so excited he could jump. We are doing amazing, everyone.
Look at all that confetti. We finished the mission. You're all superstars. See you next time. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Can you guess which of these 3 emergency heroes we are building today?
I bet it's the fire truck. I love the giant ladder. Vroom vroom.
Nice try, but watch closely. We are assembling the speedy ambulance that helps people feel better.
Oh, an ambulance! It needs to be super fast. Let's help get those parts together.
3, 2, 1, go! Drive
Nope.
that shiny chassis right into the shadow, everyone! It fits perfectly. Click! Now, where does the main body go? Point to it on your screen. Now for the wheels. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels as we're ready to roll.
Wait, did I forget the siren? Oh, there it is. Beep boop. Here comes the emergency team.
Ta-da! Our ambulance is complete and ready for action. Look at those beautiful fireworks celebrating our win.
Boom pop. We did it. You guys are absolute puzzle pros. See you next time, Speedsters.
Hey there, puzzle explorers. Are you ready to build some super cool vehicles with us today?
Look at those wheels. Is that a giant pizza? No, wait. It's our brave police car, buddy.
Silly! It's a police car that keeps the streets safe. Let's snap those pieces together. Click-clack.
Whoa, look at that sparkle. Our police car is transforming into a super hero. Boom!
Wow, what a celebration! Can you count the falling confetti pieces with me? 1, 2, 3! Now what's this? A monster truck with giant bouncy tires. Vroom vroom, get ready to roll!
I bet it's going to turn into a giant marshmallow. Or maybe a spaceship.
Not quite! It's a magical transformation for our tough truck. Watch it glow, ting-a-ling! That is one cool ride. Point your finger at the screen and give it a high five, kids!
Yay!
The fireworks are popping, and our friends are ready for adventure. What a brilliant night!
guys were amazing puzzle masters today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today, our mighty truck and hard-working digger are ready for a shadow matching challenge.
Whoa! Did you see that? The truck just turned into a surprise gift box. Kapow!
Our digger is looking for the right pieces to fit the silhouette. But look who joined us. A friendly puppy. Can you help the digger find the missing part?
Oh no, that piece doesn't fit. Even the crying man meme is feeling a bit sad about that mistake.
Don't worry, keep trying. Which shape do you think fits the outline? Point your finger at the correct piece on your screen. Is it the wheel? Yes, click it into place. Vroom, vroom. It's finally starting to look like our hard-working digger again. Magic sparkle finish. You did it. Our puzzle is complete, and even the Cat King is impressed by your super smart skills.
That was legendary. Hit that subscribe button and join us for the next big puzzle adventure.
Hey there, puzzle superstars! Ready to build some heavy-duty machines with us today?
Look at that pink arm. Is it a giant spoon? Wait, no, it's a hard-working digger.
Spot on! This hard-working digger uses that bucket to scoop up dirt. Can you help us snap the wheels on? Ta-da! She's all finished and ready to dig! Pop goes the confetti. Woohoo!
Now it's time for a green trend. Is this a race car, maybe?
Not quite! That's a mighty dump truck. Perfect for carrying big loads. Click, clack, let's attach the bed.
Boom! Another masterpiece. Great building, everyone.
Our construction crew is ready for action. Hit that subscribe button to join our next big adventure. Hey there, puzzle explorers. Ready to build some mighty machines with us today?
Whoa, watch out! Boom! That tanker just transformed into a super cool semi-truck.
It's time for a shadow match. Can you spot where the cabin goes? Let's go! Grab that big engine piece and drag it right into the silhouette. Click.
Is it going here? No, that's definitely the wrong spot. Silly me.
Great save! Now let's count those wheels together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at our mighty truck taking shape. Slide that container right into place.
Yay!
Ta-da! You did it! Our trucks are ready to hit the road. You're a puzzle genius.
Vroom, vroom! High five, everyone. See you in the next mission.
Hello, explorers. Welcome to our awesome worldwide puzzle adventure. Are you ready to play?
Whoa! Check out those super cool skull bikes. Vroom, vroom! Did you see that giant kaboom?
Even Pedro the actor is surprised by these wild rides. Can you make a silly face just like that cat? Look at all these floating wheels! We need to pick the perfect one to fix our motorcycle puzzle.
3, 2,
The timer is ticking down fast.
Go!
3, 2, 1. Point to the wheel you think fits best.
Speed is getting so excited. He's cheering for us to find the right match. You can do it!
Maybe he wants to borrow a bike for his next mission. Haha, so silly.
Travis Scott is impressed by your puzzle skills. Keep going, superstars.
Deadpool is here to celebrate. Let's dance and wiggle just like that happy kid on screen.
What? What the fuck?
We did it! The skeletons are dancing and the fireworks are popping. You are officially the best puzzle masters in the whole world. Great job today. Hey there, little builders. Ready to solve some super cool construction puzzles with us?
I see a shadow. Is it a giant toaster? Maybe a robot?
Silly! That's our hardworking digger and a forklift. Let's build them together. Look, pick the yellow forks. Snap them right onto the front. Click clack.
Vroom vroom. Can you count the 4 sturdy wheels? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fantastic work! Our yellow forklift is ready to lift heavy boxes at the warehouse. Now, let's assemble this pink excavator. Where does the big digging arm go?
Put it on top. No, wait, that looks like a hat. Put it on the body.
Perfect! Those tracks help the excavator move through the mud. Dig, dig, dig! Time for the mighty dump truck. Can you find the orange bed piece?
I found it. Super shiny. Does it fit on the chassis? Let's try.
Beep, beep! The dump truck is all set to carry sand to the building site. Wow, look at them go! Fireworks for our amazing team. You did a great job today, superstars. Hey, everyone. Grab your detective hats because we are on a mission with SpongeBob today.
Is he looking for a sandwich? Oh, wait. It's a super cool police truck. Beep, beep.
This brave police truck needs his gear back. Can you help us pick the right fender? It's puzzle time.
Maybe the bright pink one? No? How about this neon green one? Vroom, vroom.
No. Not quite. Silly. Let's look at the shape. Which one fits perfectly into the empty space? You found it! That blue fender is a perfect match. Click. Now, let's find those wheels.
Hooray!
Try the big ones. Wait, those are too tiny. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels.
No!
Look at that! She's cheering because we got them all on. Great teamwork, everyone. Wow! Look at him zoom away! He's changing colors like magic. Ta-da!
Nani? A new police car is on the scene. Point your finger at the screen to help us choose the next piece.
Is it the yellow piece? No, that's for a tractor. Let's try the matching blue one.
No.
She's so happy! We are almost done. Can you shout go when the final wheel clicks into place? Oh no!
Boom! Fireworks! You did it, Puzzle Masters. You're the best helpers ever. See you next time.
Hey there, puzzle explorers. Welcome to our big vehicle building adventure today.
Vroom! Look at that yellow truck go. He loves keeping our park clean.
Can you spot the difference? Which one is the garbage truck? And which is the tanker?
I bet the tanker truck is the one with the big round belly. Am I right?
Close, but let's build our jolly garbage truck friend first. Drag that chassis into place. Click! That piece fits like a glove. You're doing great. Keep going. Time for the wheels. Can you count them with me? 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Almost there. Just a few more snaps to finish our yellow buddy.
Ta-da! Look at that magical sparkle. He's ready to roll. Beep, beep. Now we have a green garbage truck. Let's find where this heavy cabin goes.
Grab your virtual wrench. Let's tighten those bolts together. Click, click, click!
This yellow tanker truck is huge! Help me slide the main tank into the silhouette. Great focus! You are a master mechanic. Just a little bit more to the left. Wow, they look amazing all together! Happy New Year, trucks! You all did a fantastic job today, superstars! Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today, we are meeting 3 super cool police vehicles on a mission.
Whoa! Everything turned into shadows! And look, a sneaky cat is hiding in the corner!
Time to be detectives. Point your finger at the screen and help me pick the right part.
Uh-oh, that didn't fit! Even Kevin Hart is surprised by that one. Try again.
Click! You did it! The brave police car is ready for duty.
Number 1. The Ford
Vroom,
Explorer
vroom.
Interceptor Utility. The Ford Explorer Police Interceptor is one of the most popular police vehicles in the United States. That's because it offers a blend of performance, durability, and versatility that meets the diverse needs of law enforcement agencies across the nation. Under the hood, the Ford Explorer Police Interceptor comes with powerful engine options, including a standard 3.3-liter hybrid producing 318 horsepower and an available 3-liter EcoBoost V6, making 400 horsepower to deliver enough power for high-speed pursuit driving.
2 more to go. Can you spot the piece for the big SWAT vehicle?
No.
Fantastic teamwork! That SWAT truck looks mighty and strong, ready to keep everyone
Police vehicles
safe.
in the United States are specialized automobiles used by law enforcement agencies for patrolling jurisdictions, responding to emergencies, and enforcing laws. These cars are easily recognizable by their distinct markings, sirens, and flashing lights. It is no secret American police cars are designed for high performance, with modifications that allow for faster speeds, durability, and the ability to carry essential law enforcement equipment like radios, computers, and weapons. While these American police vehicles often vary in design and size depending on the needs of the department, their primary function remains supporting public safety and enabling officers to respond.
Wow! We finished the whole board! Let's clap our hands for a job well done!
No.
Police in
Look
the
at
United
them
States
go.
prefer using the
You
Lenco
are a
Bearcat,
master
which is a tactical
puzzle
armored
solver,
vehicle for operations in
superstar.
extreme conditions.
See you next
Its
time
primary
for
use
more
includes transporting
fun.
tactical officers to and from hostile situations and to assist with the protection and recovery of civilians in harm. Suspension system, increased ground clearance, off-road wheel, and run-flat tires. The 6.7-litre turbo diesel V8 engine making 440 horsepower is the armored vehicle's standard. Depending on where the police operate.
Aside from having a reinforced body and chassis for enhanced protection during high-risk situations, the Caprice included a heavy-duty suspension system for increased stability on all types of roads. Despite being a sedan, the Chevrolet Caprice Police Patrol vehicle comfortably fits 2 police officers in the front and 3 criminals at the back, while still leaving more room for police equipment. Specialized features in the car included 2 trunk-mounted batteries for powering various police equipment, along with a driver information center with a selectable speed track.
Hey there, puzzle explorers. Welcome to the field where our mighty cement mixer friend is waiting for a tune-up.
Whoa! Zap, did you see that lightning bolt? It turned our truck into a mystery outline.
Don't worry, team. We just need to find the missing pieces to bring our hardworking mixer back to life.
Is that a toaster? I'm going to put the toaster on the truck. Wait, no? Okay. It's the cabin door.
Great catch! Click! That cabin door fits perfectly. Now our driver has a cozy spot to sit. Time for the exhaust pipe. Can you point to the screen and help us guide it into place? 1, 2, 3, snap!
Honk, honk! There goes the horn. Our friend is sounding stronger every single second.
Look at those colors shine. We are painting the drum now, getting it ready to carry all that heavy concrete. Boom! Fireworks everywhere! You did it, Puzzle Masters! Our cement mixer is back and better than ever!
High five. You guys are absolute legends at fixing trucks. See you in the next big challenge.
Welcome to the ultimate puzzle adventure, explorers. Let's zoom along the beach with our brave police car friend.
Whoa, look out! Is that a monster police car? It's super grumpy. Zoom.
Oh no, those sparks mean trouble. Can you help our brave police car stay safe? Tap the screen to help him. Zap! They merged together. Did they just become one super vehicle? That is one cool trick.
Magic is in the air. Look, the Grim Reaper is using his powers to take the monster car apart. Abracadabra.
It's building time. Let's count down together. 3, 2, 1. Let's find the missing parts.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hot dog! Mickey Mouse is here to help us finish this puzzle. Great job spotting that piece, everyone.
Boom! Fireworks everywhere. SpongeBob and Squidward are joining the party. You did it, Puzzle Masters. See you next time.
Hey there, little drivers. Welcome to the racetrack where our brave police car buddy is ready for action. Vroom, vroom.
Whoa, look at all these police cars. Wait, are they missing their wheels? Maybe they rolled away for a nap.
Not quite silly. They are waiting for us to solve the puzzle. Can you help us find the right parts? The lights are flashing. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's match those silhouettes to our police friends.
I'm going to put this square piece on the front. Wait, that's not right, is it? It's just a funny block.
Nice try, but let's look for the smooth hood instead. Click. Perfect fit. You did it. High five, everyone. Point at the screen and give our police car a big thumbs up for being so helpful. Boom! Fireworks for our puzzle masters! You were amazing today. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun. See you next time! Hi, friends. Our yellow buddy is here to start a super fun puzzle adventure.
Whoa, look at those mysterious shapes. Is that a race car? Maybe a rocket ship?
Slide that piece right into the slot.
1,
Click!
go!
You're doing a fantastic job matching these up. Almost there. Can you spot the last piece? It looks like a big rectangle.
Vroom vroom! Our jolly recycling truck is all finished and ready to keep the streets clean.
Let's count the wheels on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great counting, everyone.
Beep beep! Here come the mighty dump truck, ready to haul some heavy rocks.
Look at him shine. He's so strong and sturdy. He can carry anything. Wow, look at our amazing team of vehicles. We finished the whole puzzle together. Magical. That monster truck is glowing. Thanks for playing. You absolute puzzle superstars.